Welcome to our podcast. Today, Max and Lily talk about their daily routines. Can you find 3 important phrases in this episode?
Look for wake up, go jogging, and every day. Let's listen. Hello, Lily. Good morning.
Hi, Max. You are early today.
Yes. I wake up at 6.
Oh, that is very early.
I like the morning. It is fresh.
I wake up at 7.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk in the park.
I go jogging. I run every day.
Every day? You are very active.
It makes me happy. Do you run?
No, I like walking.
Walking is good too.
I walk with my dog.
Oh, your dog is small.
Yes, his name is Lucky.
Does Lucky like the park?
Yes, he loves the grass.
How far do you walk?
I walk for 30 minutes.
That is great.
I feel tired now.
Let us sit down.
Thank you, Max.
Look, I have 5,000 steps.
Wow, that is a lot.
I want 10,000 today.
You are very fast.
Practice makes perfect.
I want more water.
Is the water cold?
Yes, it is very cold.
I forgot my water.
Do you want some?
No, thank you.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I am very hungry.
What is for breakfast?
I want eggs.
Eggs are good.
And bread.
I like bread too.
Do you cook?
Yes. I cook every morning.
You are a good girl.
Thank you.
I am a bad cook.
It is okay.
I buy my food.
That is easy.
What is that, Lily?
This is my breakfast.
Is it fruit?
Yes. It is an apple.
1 apple is small.
I have cereal too.
Do you use milk?
Yes. Cold milk.
I like hot milk.
Hot milk is sweet.
I drink coffee.
Black coffee?
No. Coffee with sugar.
Sugar is not good.
I know, but it is tasty.
I drink green tea.
Is tea bitter?
A little bit.
I like orange juice.
Juice is fresh.
I buy it nearby. I buy it nearby.
Is it expensive?
No, it is cheap.
I want some juice.
Let us go there.
Wait. Finish your rest.
Okay, I am tired.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat sausages.
Oh, that is heavy.
I need energy.
I eat light food.
Bread and jam?
Yes. Strawberry jam.
That is delicious.
Do you eat fast?
Yes. In 10 minutes.
I eat slowly.
Why?
I read news.
I watch videos.
On your phone?
Yes. On my phone.
You are busy.
Not really.
Breakfast is important.
Yes. It starts the day.
I agree.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let us go. Now I must go to school.
Oh. What time is your class?
My class starts at 9 o'clock.
Really? That is very early. I go to work at 8 o'clock.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus.
Is the bus fast or slow?
It is usually very fast.
I take the train to school.
Is your school far from here?
Yes, it is quite far.
What do you study today?
I study English and math.
That is very good.
And what is your job?
I am a computer programmer.
Wow, that sounds difficult.
It is okay. I like it.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work in a big office.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10.
Oh, I have a test, at 10 too.
Are you nervous for the test?
A little bit. Yes.
Don't worry. You are smart.
Thank you, Max.
When do you finish school?
I finish school at 3 o'clock.
And then, do you go home?
No, I go to the library.
You study a lot.
Yes, I want to learn fast.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
That is a long day.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
Do you eat lunch at work?
I eat at my desk.
I eat with my friends.
That is more fun.
We talk and drink coffee.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, it helps me study.
I see your bus is coming.
Oh, you are right.
Have a great day at school.
Thank you, Max.
Good luck with your test.
See you later, Max.
What a busy afternoon.
Oh, hello again, Max.
Hi, Lily. You are at the supermarket.
Yes, school is finished.
My work is finished too.
How was your day?
It was very good.
That is nice to hear.
Do you need food?
Yes, I need some fruit.
I like these red apples.
I like the green ones.
They look very fresh.
I also need some milk.
The milk is over there.
Thank you, Max.
No problem. I need bread for dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Yes. I usually cook at home.
Really? You are hardworking.
I like healthy food.
What do you cook tonight?
I cook chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious.
And you? What is your plan?
I go home now.
Do you study in the afternoon?
Yes, I do my homework.
You are a good student.
I try my best.
Then I go to the gym.
The gym? Now?
Yes, I exercise for 1 hour.
You have a lot of energy.
Exercise makes me feel good.
I am very tired now.
You should rest at home.
Yes, I will take a nap.
That is a good idea.
Then I clean my room.
Your day is very busy.
Yes, but I like it.
It is 5 o'clock.
Time to go home.
Goodbye, Lily.
Bye, Max.
See you tomorrow morning.
See you at the park.
Hello, Lily.
Hi, Max.
How was your evening?
It is very quiet.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I ate salad.
Salad again?
Yes, it is my favorite.
What are you doing now?
I am reading a book.
Is it a good book?
Yes, it is very interesting.
Do you watch TV?
No, I do not like TV.
Really? Why not?
Books are much better.
I understand.
And you? What are you doing?
I am watching a movie.
An action movie?
Yes, it is very exciting.
Do you sleep late?
No, I sleep early.
Me too.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
That is a good time.
Do you drink milk before bed?
No, I drink warm water.
Warm water?
Yes, it helps me sleep.
I will try that.
You should. It is good.
Now I am tired.
Me too.
Because we wake up early.
Yes, for the park.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, Lily.
Good night, Max.
Sweet dreams.
You too.
It is time to learn.
Let's review our words.
Our first word is quiet.
Quiet means making very little noise.
For example, the park is very quiet.
Next is the word favorite.
Favorite means the one you like the most.
My favorite drink is hot coffee.
Then we have interesting.
Interesting means keeping your attention because it is good.
This book is very interesting.
Now, look at the word exciting.
Exciting means making you feel very happy.
A football match is very exciting.
Last is the word routine.
Routine is the normal way you do things regularly.
Reading is part of my morning routine. Now it is your turn.
Can you make a sentence with the word routine?
Write it in the comments below.
We will read them all.
Our day is over.
Please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.